Hi everyone, welcome to my show. It's your girl Cinnamon Shea coming to you with a review here under the Origin Next TV. Today I'm going to be talking about this cute little pink bob that I've been rocking all summer long. It is time to take it out. As you can see, those roots have grown in. Cute style though, I love it, super fun, yes. But today we're going to be taking it down and I'll be showing you step by step what I do. First off though, let me show you the back. Back is long now, it was a lot shorter. So let's get into it. Hi there, all right, I'm back. So here we go. I'm just gonna take this out right here so I can get ready to cut them. Hey girl, hey. Now look at those roots. Would you look at that? No. This hair grew out so much. It's only been a month and it's grown out about an inch, a little more. So let's get started. What you're gonna need is a pair of scissors and also a rat tail comb to get those ends. Now my braids, they have rubber bands on the end. So what I'm gonna do is try to measure where my hair is, as you can see here, versus where I'm going to cut. Because definitely don't want to cut your hair. I've done that before, not fun. So definitely make sure that you only have about like 3 or 5 braids to cut. I think I had way too many braids here. Okay, got it. So once you do the cutting, you can do it in sections if you want. Let me see here, how many do I have? I might have too many again, but let's try it. Nope, I might take some out. Okay. So after cutting the braids, what you want to do is get your rat tail comb, and then once you get the comb, then you can start going in at the edge to help start taking out the braid. I generally just do it like once or twice, and then the braid just opens up, and then after that you don't really need the comb anymore. You can just pull it and it separates so easy. So just go ahead and just keep unraveling it. That's what it'll literally do. Just unravel. And then it should come right off. Let's get this hair out of the way. And voila, done. And then on to the next one and just repeat all the way around. So just remember to continue and unravel by separating the braids. Once you separate, then you can just kind of gently pull it apart and then it will unravel up all the way to the top until you get the hair out. Okay, so we're moving along. This feels so good. Still a long way to go. So again, separating the hair. Separating the 3 parts of the braid, gently separating it. Now if it happens to get tangled, you can go back in with the rat tail comb to kind of give you a hedge. Oops, let's pull this hair up so I can see what I'm doing here. Can't have it keep flopping in my eye. Ooh, cutesy. All right. Hey girl, hey. Alright, so still moving along, taking it out. So not an easy process, but once it's all out, it feels so good. These braids were literally hanging. That's how much my hair, what? Oh my gosh. Yeah, another thing you gotta watch out for. Sometimes when you're cutting the hair, it can fly up and you might just catch a few pieces in your hair. What's going on here? Oh, see that? So now I'm working in the back. When you're working in the back, you really want to make sure you know where your hair stops. I'm lucky because these braids were pink that I was able to see where my hair stops because don't want to cut my hair. What's going on there? Oh, that's probably just the buildup from the braids being in. They were literally hanging. I had only had the braids in for like a month. And again, the hair grew about an inch to an inch and a half. Okay, yeah. The kind of gets all over the place once you cut it. So just be mindful of that. Again, you start, once you do that unravel, it pretty much opens up by itself, as you can see here. Not too much tangling going on, but if it does, just comb it through with your fingers, or again, you can use that rat tail comb and it'll help take that right out. And here we go, just almost halfway there. Hard trying to cut the back without a mirror. Gotta make sure I can't cut that hair. So far so good. No hair loss. Just got a few more braids in the back. Checking to see, again, where my hair ends. So I do not cut my hair. It's happened before. It's not fun. You got one side of your hair longer than the other. But looks like I managed to get that done. Because remember, with the bob, they were shorter in the back. So, and as your hair grows, you want to be sure that you don't cut where you think it was, because now it's moved down longer. But all right, here we go. Again, unraveling. Separate that bottom and the hair should come right off. So it's pretty much repetitive all the way around. Ooh, make sure I didn't cut my hair. All right, got that out. I had to use the rat tail comb for that. So these combs, I use the metal one. But you can use any type of rat tail comb, as long as it has like a sharp edge. Some people use bobby pins or hair clips, whatever works for you or whatever you have around the house. I like to get the rat tail because it makes it go by a little quicker. Still working here. Okay, so let's see here. What I decided to do is, instead of cutting a little bit at a time, this time I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna cut. Oh no! Ooh! I thought I cut my hair there. Oh my goodness, see? That's one thing you gotta be careful of, because I just decided to cut a bunch of them at one time instead of taking my time. So, that one's giving me a little problem. Got that out. This style was actually kind of cute. Maybe I should have just unraveled them to look like that and then just wore it for a little bit more. With that long one piece right there in the front. See, cute style, okay. All right, all right. All right, so let's keep going here. It gets easier. All right, so while I'm taking this down, just wanted to let you guys know that I will be doing my best to answer all questions. Just submit your questions either below or send them to me on Instagram. And all the questions that I get, I'll definitely be answering in my videos. One of the questions that I've gotten so far is how much was the cost of the hair. So the cost of the hair was about $6.99 per pack. Now, mind you, my hair looked all pink, but it was a mood hair, which was pink in the sunlight. It was pink, but once you went into the sun, it was purple. And then I also had a glow in the dark hair that was pink, but then of course, once you come outside from the sun and go into total darkness, then the hair glows in the dark. So I used about, I believe it was 7 or 8 packs of this hair, because the hair that I purchased did not have a lot of hair in it, so I had to buy multiple packs. So you always want to keep that in mind when buying hair. You want to buy more hair. Oh yes, that feels so good. I'm almost there. Oh my gosh, if you only know the feeling of when you wear braids for like about a month and then take it out, your scalp feels so good. But yeah, keeping that in mind with the hair, you want to definitely be sure to buy more than less. All right, so just a few more braids here. I did get another question that I want to answer. And the question is, what do you like when people see you out in public with your hairstyles? And what do you dislike when people see you out in public? Well, I like that they compliment the hair or the style or ask me questions about it. That's pretty cool. I dislike is when people say they like it, but as they say that, they're reaching their hands to touch my hair. I just have like a phobia about personal space. So, but that was a pretty good question. Let's see, I'm almost done here. So let me see if I can answer another question. All right, here's another question. Ooh, this is a good one. How do you go about selecting the color or the style of your hair? Well, that's simple. My husband usually selects the colors and then we compromise on the style. But he has a great taste, and usually when he selects it, it's a hit. So, well, all right, guys, I'm all done. Yes. Oh, scalp. Yes, get in there. Oh, wait, did I forget one? Oh my goodness. You see, I must have cut that one so short it blended in with my hair. All right, all done here. So just stay tuned for the next video. I'll be giving a shampoo regimen that I do on my hair after I take my braids out. Thanks again. Peace, love, and light. It's your girl Cinnamon Shea. Thanks for tuning in.